Welcome to the trade table. Today, we are going to discuss why do mini-split systems cost so much to install. The high upfront cost of installing mini-split AC systems is a common disadvantage. These systems require specialized components and knowledge, resulting in a higher installation cost. However, the initial investment ensures long-term comfort and energy efficiency, breaking down the costs of a mini-split installation. The total installation cost of a mini-split system includes various components. The mini-split unit itself, with its outdoor compressor, indoor air handlers, and refrigerant lines, comprises a significant portion of the cost. The size and power of the compressor depend on the number of indoor units it supports. The number and type of indoor units and the refrigerant lines also impact the cost. Additionally, labor and expertise for installation contribute to the overall cost. Is the high cost of a mini-split worth it? Despite the high cost, mini-split systems offer several benefits. They are highly energy efficient, allowing for precise temperature control in each zone or room. They operate quietly and provide zoned comfort, making them ideal for home theaters and bedrooms. The ability to create separate heating and cooling zones maximizes comfort throughout the home. Thanks for watching the video. If you liked this content, be sure to leave a like and subscribe. If you're looking to buy a mini-split, be sure to check out thetradetable.com, the best mini-split resource online. Have a great rest of your day.